Hi everyone, welcome back to Lena's Pretend Play.
So we're gonna talk about in this video
Learning Table 10.
10. So as you see, one person turn into a lots of person.
If you keep on adding 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, while actually multiplying 10, 10, 10,
Yeah.
10, 10.
So multiply makes it number bigger. So let's get started, Lina. Number 1 to 100. So in this chart, what do you see, Lina?
We see a hundreds chart.
From number 1 to 100. And there is a table of 1, 2, 3,
4, up to 10.
Up to 10. But what we're gonna do in this video?
We are going to only do the 10
table. Okay, so
difficult to remember?
So what do you think? Is it gonna be difficult to remember? Table 10?
Easy peasy lemon squeezy, or easy peasy napkin cheesy.
Let's see how we can do.
Easy. You should put easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Okay, can you move to the next slide, Lina? Okay, so table of 10. So
and by the way, the ones that are highlighted, do not care about this one. We're not talking about that.
So
but if you can't see, this is 10, this is 20, this is 30, this is 40, this is 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
So basically, we're gonna focus on table 10 in this video.
Yep.
Okay, let's go see. Next slide.
Easy to remember.
Yeah. So, table of 10. Say loud and non-stop.
I'll say.
Okay, go ahead.
3, 2, 1. 10, 30. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Good.
I only did that at 10. Then I got second.
Yeah, you got twist up tongue. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. But you did good job, Lina.
Yeah, now you say it.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
I could say it way faster, but you guys won't be able to hear my words.
Oh, wow.
Oh, and by the way, I forgot to tell you there's a surprise at the end.
Okay, good. Can you move to the next slide? Okay, table of 10, continue. So say loud. 10 times. Oh, no, not that way. What is that?
10
ones are 10.
But actually, the S pronounces as a Z.
Yeah.
10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20,
so it's good to
10
memorize this way, like 10 ones are 10. Then it will help you to memorize faster and easy way. Okay, so how about Lina? We can do that this way.
Yeah,
I'm
so
gonna say 10 ones are.
You say the equation, I say the answer.
Good. So let's start it. Let's say it louder, okay? So 10 ones are
10.
10 twos are
20.
10 threes are
30.
10 fours are
40.
10 fives are
50.
10 sixes are
60.
10 sevens are
70.
10 eights are
80.
10 nines are
90.
10 tens are
100.
Good job. Okay, let's go next slide. Table of 10, easy to memorize. So let's see if you can remember some of them equations. Yeah. So 10 fours are
40.
10 tens are
100.
10 fives are
50.
10 twos are
20.
10 threes are
30.
10 nines are
90.
10 eights are
80.
10 sevens are
70.
10 ones are
10.
10 sixes are
60.
Yeah, so if you do this way, it's easy for the children to memorize the tables, and which will help you guys to do the math. Okay, next. You want to write it there, Lina? 10 times 10? Okay, how about you can write it? You say it in the words. Now let's see if you can write it down and memorize it. So 10 times 4? 10 fours are 40. 10 tens are 10 fives are So 10 fours are 40, 10 tens are 100, You can say it, Lina, louder. 10 fives are
50,
10 twos are
20,
10 threes are
30,
10 nines are
90,
10 eights are
80,
10 sevens are
70,
10 ones are easy peasy.
10,
10 sixes are
60.
good. Good job, Lina. Let's move to the next slide. So how about we go do in graph? So as you see, remember we'll talk about the graph before, Lina?
Yeah.
So this is, we came with the table 10 and I see from 0 to 100 and this one gonna give the answer.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the answers here. Don't
Mhm.
worry. There's 10.
So
Blah,
this,
blah, blah,
yeah,
blah,
so
blah,
this
100.
graph is 10. So that is,
And then all blah 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 blah.
okay, no, not blah blah blah. You have to
And
say
then
the word.
yeah, like the
Yeah.
number. That's why I'm just saying blah blah blah.
Okay.
Blah number, blah number, blah number.
Can you
blah,
write
number.
it down with your?
Yeah, I already have it on.
Go ahead, write it down. So you see this is 10. So that is what number?
It says right here. So.
Yeah.
That looks
20.
like a zo.
Yeah.
Zo.
20.
What?
Yeah. 20. Say it with the word.
30, 40, 50,
Mm-hmm.
60, 70,
Mm-hmm.
80, 90,
And
and
100.
100.
So the bar is
100.
going upward like a mountain.
No, wait, like this.
Growing. Good. Good job, Nina. So let's see in the another graph. Okay, can you move to the next slide? Oh, so we said it in 10, 20, 30. Now let's continue with the 10 ones at 10. So here you see 10 ones at 10. So 10 twos are?
20.
Yeah, 10 threes are?
30.
10 fours are?
And I have to do this.
Yeah, you wanna write it down? Okay, let me write it down for you. And then,
And
you're gonna give the answer.
Can I have that? You put the
Yeah,
the
so you're
equation.
gonna write it down. 10 twos are 10. Threes are 10. Fours are 10. Fives are 10. Sixes are 10. Sevens are 10. Eights are 10. Nines are 10. Tens are.
Okay, finally.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. So 10.
10 twos are
20,
10 threes are
30,
10 fours are
40,
10 fives are
50,
10 sixes are
60,
10 sevens are
70,
10 eights are
80,
10 nines are
90.
and 10 tens are. Yeah.
And you gotta write these bigger because I write
So
big.
best purpose for this one is to practice more with the children.
Yep.
And memorize it.
At home, you could keep on practicing this.
Yeah,
You could
so
write
you're
on
gonna
a
be
paper,
master on the tables.
like a paper, and then
Yeah, 10 ones are 10 tens are. Good. That's good, Lina.
I'm gonna do as high as I can.
Yeah, it's a graph growing. Okay, let's see the
Graph,
next
graph.
slide, please, and thank you. Okay, move to the next slide. So, how we can do in the pie chart? So, remember before we talk about the types of graph. So, this is another type of chart and graph. So, chain of table. That's another way to master.
We're gonna put
Table
the
and
numbers
memorize it.
here.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead, Nina. Let's see how fast you can do.
So 10,
10.
20.
It's
I
okay.
was about to put 12.
That's okay.
I was about to.
Mhm.
10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. There you go. Good job. Good work, Lena.
Look
Okay,
at
let's move to the next slide.
meh, 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 meh,
Okay, good.
meh.
So you can continue with that one. I'm just gonna talk. It's gonna take a little bit time to write it down, but you can practice at
I
home. So Lina, I'm gonna say it and then you're gonna again say, okay? So like a question for me, answer for you. So 10 ones-a, we're not gonna write it down. We're just gonna say 10 ones-a,
10 ones-a,
10 twos-a,
20,
10 threes-a,
30,
10 fours-a,
40,
10 fives-a,
50,
10 sixes-a,
60,
10 sevens-a, 10 eights-a, 10 sevens-a,
70,
10 eights-a,
100,
10 eights-a,
80,
10 nines-a,
90, 100.
10 tens-a,
I just said
100. Okay, so that's how you can practice at home.
Now
Okay,
for the
so
last
quiz time. Let's read it. Imagine you have a magical bag that can double the number of marbles you put inside it. You start with 10 marbles and decide to use the magical bag. How many marbles will you have after using the magical
So
bag?
it
3
says.
times.
So it says to start with 10
Mhm.
marbles
Yeah.
at a time.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, 10 marbles and
10 marbles.
so how
So 10.
and this magical bag
It like
double.
Yeah, it does the double.
So
10 is the double.
If you double the 10, how much it will be?
It will be 20.
Okay, and then if you double 20, what will the number come?
40.
And 40 doubles?
80.
Yeah. So you have how many? So
You
if you double the
have
10 3 times, how much number you get?
80.
80.
IT.
Correct.
No,
So
it's IT.
that's
IT.
that's how you can practice with the children at home to master the tables.
Yep.
Okay. So that's all. Thank you for watching. I think Lena has a surprise for you guys.
Actually.
Your
So
audience.
this is when I went to Drumheller. I went a few days ago, like 2 maybe. So basically not. And it lights up. And goodbye. See you in my next
Yeah. See
video.
you. Bye. Have a good
Bye.
day.